Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 14th November 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which team has won the 16th Senior Women T20 Trophy 2024? Answer is Mumbai. The 16th Senior Women's T20 Trophy for the season 2023-24 was held in 6 cities: Surat, Vadodara, Mumbai, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram, and Lucknow from 17th October to 12th November 2024. Humaira Kazi led her Mumbai team to their second Senior Women's T20 Trophy title by beating Bengal in the final by 10 wickets. Jagravi Pawar of Mumbai was adjudged the player of the match for her outstanding bowling effort. Humaira Kazi was the player of the series. Question number 2. World's highest enduro mountain biking race, Munduru 4.0, has been organized in. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Monduro 4.0, the world's highest enduro mountain biking race, has been organized in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. It is part of the Asia Enduro Series and was flagged off by MLA Namge Zaring and Brigadier vs. Rajput. Organized by the Tawang Cycling Association and the Department of Tourism, it starts at 14,400 feet and descends to 8,000 feet. Question number 3. Who secured the top position as the world's most sustainable aluminium company? Answer is Hindalco. Hindalco Industries Limited, the metals arm of the Aditya Birla Group, has secured the top position as the world's most sustainable aluminium company for the 5th consecutive year, according to the 2024 S&P Global Corporate Sustainability Assessment (CSA) rankings. The company earned a total score of 87 points, improving by 9 points from 2023, and surpassed its closest competitor by 22 points. Question number 4. Who has won the 2024 IBSF Men's World Billiards Championship? Answer is Pankaj Advani. Legendary Indian quist Pankaj Advani won his 28th world title at the IBSF World Billiards Championship in Doha, Qatar. He defeated Robert Hall of England 4-2. This was Pankaj Advani's 7th consecutive title win at the IBSF World Billiards Championships. The 2024 IBSF World Billiards and Snooker Championship were organized by the International Billiards and Snooker Federations in Doha from 28 October to 9 November 2024. Question number 5. Who has won the 2024 IBSF Men's World Snooker Championship? Answer is Muhammad Asi. Pakistani quist Muhammad Asif made history by winning the IBSF Men's World Snooker Championship 2024 for the third time by defeated Ali Gharghojalo of Iran. He is the only player in the world after Pankaj Advani to have won the IBSF World Men's Snooker Championship 3 times. The 2024 IBSF World Billiards and Snooker Championship were organized by the International Billiards and Snooker Federations in Doha from 2 to 9 November 2024. Question number 6. Who has been declared the face of Madhya Pradesh tourism recently? Answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Celebrated actor Pankaj Tripathi, known for his deep love of travel and passion for India's cultural richness, has been appointed as the face of the Madhya Pradesh tourism. Known for advocating India's diverse and scenic destinations, Tripathi is now set to promote the unique beauty and heritage of Madhya Pradesh, a state close to his heart both personally and professionally. Question number 7. Who has recently received the Coach of the Year award in the Indian Sports Honours 2024? Answer is Suma Shirur. The Olympian and former chief coach of the Indian shooting team, Suma Shirur was awarded the Coach of the Year Female Award by the Indian Sports Honours 2024 on 11th November 2024. Beyond coaching, Shirur advocates for gender equality in sports and grassroots development through her Laksha Shooting Club, where she has trained over 200 national-level shooters. Question number 8. Which country's first Deputy Prime Minister, Denis Manturov, visited India recently? Answer is Russia. Russian first Deputy Prime Minister, Denis Manturov, visited India from 10 to 12 November 2024. Denis Manturov first visited Mumbai, where he co-chaired the India-Russia Business Forum meeting. He later visited New Delhi and met PM Narendra Modi, Union Minister for Finance Nirmala Sitharaman, and the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. India is the second largest trading partner of Russia after China. Russia was India's fourth largest trading partner in 2023 to 24. Question number 9. Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India, whose term has been extended? Answer is Vikram Misri. The Government of India has extended the term of the current Foreign Secretary of India, Vikram Misri, till 14th July 2026. Vikram Misri, a member of the 1989 Indian Foreign Service batch, took over as the 35th Foreign Secretary of India on 15th July 2024. He was due to retire on 30th November 2024. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority, NLSA? Answer is B.R. Gavai. President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Senior Supreme Court Judge Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai as the Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority, NLSA. Justice B.R. Gavai succeeds Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who was appointed the 51st Chief Justice of India. He was appointed Supreme Court Judge in 2019 and is due to retire on 23 November 2025. Question number 11. Who has hosted the Joint Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, and Arab League Summit meeting? Answer is Saudi Arabia. A joint organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, and Arab League Summit meeting held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, condemned Israeli military action in Gaza and Lebanon and called for the end of Israeli military actions. The one-day joint Arab League and Organization of Islamic Cooperation meeting was held in the Saudi Arabian capital, Riyadh, on 11th November 2024. The summit meeting was addressed by Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Question number 12. Where has inaugurated the 25th meeting of the South Asian Telecommunication Regulators Council? Answer is New Delhi. The 25th meeting of the South Asian Telecommunication Regulators Council was inaugurated by the Union Minister for Communications, Jyotiraditya Scindia, on 11th November 2024. The 25th meeting of SATE 25 has been organized by the Asia Pacific Telecommunity. It is being hosted by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, in New Delhi from 11 to 13th November 2024. Question number 13. Who has been declared as the National Security Advisor by the newly elected President of America, Donald Trump? Answer is Mike Waltz. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump has officially appointed Florida Republican Mike Waltz as his National Security Advisor. Waltz, 50-year-old, is a retired Army colonel who served as a Green Beret in an elite Special Forces unit of the U.S. Army. He has been a member of the U.S. House of Representatives since 2019. Question number 14. And more was signed between India and which country for the Pantasir air defense system? Answer is Russia. Bharat Dynamics Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Russia's state-owned arms exporter, Rosoboronexport (RO), to facilitate cooperation for variants of the Advanced Pantasir air defense missile gun system. The MoU was signed at the 5th India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission (IRIC) subgroup meeting in Goa. Question number 15. Who has been selected as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for October 2024? Answer is Noman Ali. Pakistan spinner Noman Ali and New Zealand all-rounder Melly Kerr have bagged the ICC Player of the Month award for October 2024 in men's and women's category respectively. Noman Ali clinched for his stellar performances in Pakistan's Test series against England. Amelia Kerr's phenomenal performances were instrumental in leading New Zealand to victory in the ICC Women's T20 World Cup held in the UAE. Question number 16. What is India's retail inflation rate in October 2024? Answer is 6.21%. India's retail inflation reached a 14-month high in October 2024 due to sharp rise in vegetable prices. Retail inflation in India rose to 6.21% in October 2024, up from 5.49% in September 2024. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is mandated to keep inflation in a range of 2% to 6% with a medium-term target of 4%. The RBI has projected GDP growth of 7.2% for the financial year 2024-25. Question number 17. World Diabetes Day is observed every year on. Answer is 14th November. World Diabetes Day is annually observed on 14th November. This year, 2024, the World Diabetes Day theme is Breaking Barriers, Bridging Gaps. Diabetes is a chronic disease which occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. This leads to an increased concentration of glucose in the blood, hyperglycemia. Question number 18. In India, Bal Divas is observed every year on. Answer is 14th November. Children's Day, also known as Bal Divas, is observed annually on 14th November in India. This date was chosen to honor the birthday of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a leader who deeply cherished children and believed in their potential to shape the nation's future. Born on 14th November 1889, Nehru's commitment to children's well-being and education laid the foundation for this special day. Question number 19. World Usability Day is observed every year on. Answer is 2nd Thursday of November. World Usability Day, or Make Things Easier Day, is annually observed across the globe on the 2nd Thursday of November to promote the principles of suitability, accessibility, and user experience in design. World Usability Day 2024 falls on 14th November. The theme for World Usability Day in 2024 is Designing for a Better World. World Usability Day was established in 2004 by the Usability Professionals Association. Question number 20. International Week of Science and Peace is marked every year on. Answer is 9th to 14th November. International Week of Science and Peace is organized every year from 9 to 14th November. This event is celebrated to encourage people to develop better technology and maintain peace in their countries. International Week of Science and Peace was first celebrated in the year 1986. This week was declared to be celebrated by the United Nations General Assembly in December 1988. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.